For 4 years, I have suffered through acne. I remember within 2 weeks, I started seeing the difference. You do not need 100 skincare products. You do not need 10-step skincare routine. Literally every alternate day, somebody would come to me and give me gyan on how to treat acne as if they have faced it personally. The major mistakes which you all do, the day I started breathing again, that's when my skin healed. And you know what? No one understands acne except for the person who have faced it personally. My seniors have told me you should take sick leaves because it doesn't look good for the brand. That's it. Come back to me in 2 to 3 weeks and you will see the difference. So hi, I'm Rishita, I'm 20 years old and let me tell you how it all started. Please ये वीडियो एंड तक दिखना क्योंकि आधा ज्ञान मतलब शैतान का घर है. I started breaking out since I was in class 11 or 12. It has been 4 years. For 4 years, I have suffered through acne. I kept waiting for it to get better. I went to many dermats. I tried so many home remedies, but nothing seemed to work. And in my school, makeup was not even allowed, so I could not even hide it. Some days I didn't even go to school on my active acne days because it made my insecurity worse. Then I joined Indigo and I thought, okay, I can hide it now. But who knew makeup was one of the top reasons I broke out so frequently. Even more than I did in my high school, and this is not even the worst part. Literally every alternate day somebody would come to me and give me gyan on how to treat acne as if they have faced it personally. My seniors have told me you should take sick leaves because it doesn't look good for the brand. Like, excuse me, do you think the acne would go away in 2 to 3 days, or how many days of sick leaves do you want me to take? It made me so furious that I wanted to scream at that point. And you know what? No one understands acne except for the person who have faced it personally. I said what I said. Not everybody has suffered through acne, and एक दो पिंपल आने का मतलब ये नहीं होता है कि आपको acne problem है. The way it eats your confidence, the way it makes you hate mirrors, and you feel helpless because you can't even do anything. I didn't even want to go to school and to work. That's how bad it was. ये बात मेरी ध्यान से सुनना, जो भी हमारे बाहर हो रहा है, it's a reflection of whatever is going on inside your body. So first clean your body. Recognize your patterns. Do you eat junk food हमेशा हर एक mood swings पे, or do you choose to eat healthy even on those hard times? I have mentioned other things which have helped me. उसमें हम इस बारे में बात करेंगे. But now एक चीज मैंने जो constant पाई है, be it in my school life or my job, it was stress. Now I know many people will say school life is nothing compared to the adulthood. It's okay, सबको stress होती है life में, but what matters is how you cope up with that. For me, everything changed when I left. Not just the job, but the chaos which came along with it. The day when I stopped kicking makeup on my face just to feel presentable. The day I started breathing again, that's when my skin healed. The major mistakes which you all do is get influenced. हर हफ्ते कुछ नए नए products launch हो गए and you want to keep buying those products and applying in your face. What are you even doing? So the very first step is to stop overdoing skincare and stop with all your actives. You do not need 100 skincare products. You do not need 10-step skincare routine. If you are facing active acne, you need to calm your skin first. So that should be your priority, and this is the routine which have helped me heal my skin, and this might work for you too. My morning skincare routine starts with washing my face with plain water. I do not wash my face in the morning with a cleanser. Overwashing your face will lead to ruining your skin barrier. This is one of the learnings from my dermat which has worked for me 100%. So I wash my face with a cleanser only at night to remove all the dirt, makeup or sunscreen. So step number 1 in my morning routine is water. Then comes lightweight moisturizer plus your choice of SPF, and that is it. No toner, no serum. I learned it the hard way. Do everything for your skin, but not something which will ruin it, because toner is for optional hydration. It will hydrate your face, it will give you plump look, but we are not focusing on that right now. And serum is for later, you know, when you get rid of all the active acne, then we can focus on removing your acne scar. Right now, our priority is only healing you from active acne. We don't want to get rid of pigmentation. We don't want glowing skin right now. Now let's talk about my night routine. Step 1, cleanser, and not just any cleanser. Cetaphil cleanser for sensitive skin. You do not need a foaming face wash. Your skin is already irritated. Do not strip it more. And don't worry, Cetaphil will cleanse your face. It is soft. It will heal your skin. Step number 2, barrier repair moisturizer. I use the one from Formula RX. Then comes the one which will save you. Third step is Benzac AC with 5% of benzoyl peroxide in it. Use it only for spot treatment. Do not lather it all over your face. It's very simple. Just apply it on your active acne and leave it overnight. And in the morning, wash your face with water. That's it. Come back to me in 2 to 3 weeks and you will see the difference. Of course, do not expect overnight miracles. You have to be consistent. And it's not just about the product, it's about rest, sleep, and your diet which you're following. When you let go of the pressure from the inside, that's when the healing will start. Now, other things which have worked for me, I ate real food. Just stop with your constant Zomato orders. Eat your ghar ka bana khana. I remember within 2 weeks, I started seeing the difference. Start including more proteins in your diet. Eat fruits, eat whole food, and try to limit processed food. While it's not easy कि एक बार में जंक फूड से छुटकारा मिल जाए, but you can have cheat days. I don't know why people these days sleep on sleeping. मतलब it's very important. रात भर फोन चलाने से तो नहीं जाएगा एक्ने. You have to sleep for 7 to 8 hours. Just like how your body, your muscles heal while you are sleeping, your skin also heals. Make a rule for yourself: no screen after 10:30. Next is active lifestyle. I know it's very hard to stay active throughout the day, but make sure at least you move for 20 minutes. You can walk, run, dance, you can do whatever, just be active for 20 minutes. If you're not focusing on working out, you can still do a lot of things which will help you keep active. And the last but not the least, keep drinking water. Yeah, I know it is cliche, but cliche is something that works for the majority. So yes, that is the stuff which you need, not some 3000 rupees serum. So give your skin some time, be patient, and please don't let a few bumps on your skin make you forget what you are. I hope you learned something from this video. If you did, don't go without liking or subscribing. Let me know your progress in the comment section. I will see you there. So till then, bye bye.